Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. On the Doge chart, we can still see no sign that Doge has bottomed in this bear market. Lower prices at the moment still expected as per our primary wave count. In the alternative, the low is already in. However, we don't really have a clear setup for it. There is no clear evidence for it. I purely mark it on the chart because, there should really always be a bullish alternative. However, it's only the alternative. At the moment, the primary scenario is still that a larger third wave completed in June 22, a fourth wave correction completed in November 22. It was just a 3-wave rally. Remember how excited everybody got at the time, but in the end it was only a 3-wave rally. And then, price is now coming down in this potential ending diagonal in the 5th wave after the 4th wave topped in November last year. Problem with an ending diagonal is it is just so choppy, very, very difficult. You see a lot of up and down movement, a lot of corrective rallies, and that is exactly what we had here. So what you can see actually is that in this price structure to the downside, price has always only rallied in 3-wave corrections. Yeah, all these spikes and this overlapping price action, we call that corrective structures. Not clean, yeah, very much overlapping. This one was a really good example of a 3-wave rally. There are just only 3, not 5. If there are only 3 waves, it typically indicates that another low is coming. And so far, new lows were coming, new lows. And at the moment, it seems like that most recently, here in July, end of July, price topped in a B wave. And we're now coming down in the C wave of wave 3. And then we should get a 4th wave and the last wave down, a 5th wave. My primary scenario still suggests that price should break below the 18th of June low. This is still the 18th of June last year. And we talk about 5 cents. This is still the ideal scenario for this chart. Not because I want it like that, but because price has only rallied correctively off the lows. And it would just suggest that another low would be the best for the chart, because then price has a chance to form a new, bottoming structure and would then rally impulsively, ideally in a new bull run. So at the moment, there is just no clear bull market setup from here. So, anything is possible, right? But we're always looking for the ideal structures. Now, off this last B wave high, 25th of July, price has come down in what I believe is a 1-2-1-2 structure. Third wave bottomed here on the 17th of August. I identified for you this 4th wave resistance. Price already got rejected from there and seems to be breaking out of this wedge pattern to the downside. But hey, this trend line is not very reliable. There's just too much going on there. It's not a very clear and clean trend line because we just don't have enough touch points. But I just marked it like that to indicate, okay, this could be some kind of a wedge pattern or so. So we don't really have a clear breakout point. But nevertheless, it seems to be moving in this ascending wedge pattern, which is very corrective. And a break to the downside, and especially a break below the last swing lows at 6 cents, 6.05, would indicate that this 5th wave to the downside is unfolding. The 5th wave or 3rd, then maybe another 4 and another 5 to complete this C wave. We really need to break below the 5.5 cent level to really confirm this wave count further. That would be the A wave low, which was made on the 10th of June. And then we should head down lower to below 5 cents eventually. Bigger picture, you can see that price is moving in this larger descending wedge. So a break above the wedge pattern's upper boundary line would potentially have bullish implications. Not necessarily super bullish, but at least it would give us some food for thought, and we might need to reconsider the wave count. But at the moment, there is no reason for that. So at the moment, we remain focused on our plan. Yeah, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.